Experience world-class service at Mayfair Lagoon, one of our top picks in Bhubaneshwar, where guests rave about its excellent value for money. Our 5-star hotel offers an array of exceptional facilities, including 7 diverse dining options, a rejuvenating spa, and thrilling tennis courts. Relax in luxurious accommodation featuring private balconies overlooking the serene lagoon or tropical gardens. Spacious rooms boast fine beddings and furnishings, while select suites offer separate living areas and indulgent jacuzzis. Beyond your room, unwind with friends at our bowling alley, club featuring an in-house DJ, or enjoy a game of pool at one of our tables. Alternatively, take a refreshing dip in our outdoor pool or stay fit at our on-site fitness center. Savor local and international cuisine at Hotel Mayfair's dining outlets, including the Teapot, which serves daily buffet breakfast, lunch, and dinner, accompanied by freshly baked breads and pastries at Bread and Cookies. Conveniently located in the heart of Bhubaneshwar, we're just